Hello YouTube family. Today I'm going to talk about Limitless Lead System, everything you'll be getting and more. As you can see in the screen, this is the system itself. It has different tiers right here. This is the back office. This is what you'll get when you join. This will be your sponsor. Whoever sponsors, you see what they got going on, and what opportunities they promoting, and then that's your primary link right there. That's everything you get with that one. Then you got free members, so people that come in for free. You got premium members, which is the basic, the annual pro, the annual pro, and the finders. And then you get recurrent income. So you do make recurrent income with this one, and then there's the total income right there. And I'm gonna click on this one. So these are the different prices: $25 a month, $60 a month. That's a $500 annual one, and then this is the higher ticket thing, which is the finance pro. So that's a one-time $1,000. So that's everything you get with that. With each thing right there. There's the compensation plan. We might talk about that in another video. With that out. This is everything. Your capture page. You get a capture page right there. That's your capture page. Go on to the next one. Then you get tracking. So if you want to track and see what you get your leads from, you can do that. Like if you want to see if Facebook works or YouTube or whatever advertising sources you're using, you can do that. So we're gonna click on the next one. This is your stats. Why that's not popping up? I don't know why that's not popping up. But that's your stats right there. That's the signature, where you put your signature there, where you do emails. They'll send emails on your behalf, but it'll be tied to you. So that's how it goes. Oops, sorry about that. Let me back out of that. Oh, back out. Sorry about that. No, hold on. Alright, we'll do that way. Boom. That's easy. Easy. Alright, let's go to email autoresponder. This is the email autoresponder. So you can put in emails, you can add messages, you can add contact groups. They got the latency bigger for those of you that are in latency bigger. I'm not in that, but that's what it is. There's the email broadcast, where you see email broadcasters, and that's phone text things right here, and phone text messages right there, and phone text credits, and what's the each one? So I can show y'all. That's it. I think you get commissions on those. I don't know. And that's the only what's running one right there, and notifications and dashboards. So I'm gonna take y'all to the other back office. I'm gonna take y'all to training. They show everything how to market. They got marketing training right here. There's a video explaining it, what it is, and the steps. Launch your lead generation, AI tools, marketing training, system training videos, done for you marketing assets to use on social media, marketing tools, track your sources. So if you want to promote on Facebook, YouTube, solar ads, pay ads, something like that, you can. That's the center right there. This center right there, charity, and webinars. Hope y'all can hear me. And let's see what else. See what else on this thing. Okay, here go. That's the pages I just showed y'all. So this is the general market. They have different pages depending on what you're promoting it. If you're promoting it to Facebook or anything, then I guess this will be it. Hold on, let me click on that. Let me click on the tools again. They got different types of pages, different ones. Let's see, I can click on each one. They got the finals thing, the step 1, step 2. Any types of pages, you can customize it to how you like, and they got paid traffic too. So those of you that want to use paid traffic, you can use that at the very bottom. Landing pages, private portals, all that good jazz. Let's see what else I want to cover. All right. They got About Me homepage, so if you want to, that's the same thing. Hold on. Alright, let's see what else. They got a URL shortener and more in this back office, and they got banners and stuff. And AI training. So they got AI training tools right here. ChatGPT, and let's see, chapter sources. Oh, sorry about that. Chapter sources right here. So they tell you each chapter source, like My Legend Secret, Solar Ants, and if you want to use Solar Ants, and free traffic sources like Hook List, tracking exchanges, you know, all that good jazz. And let's see what else. And this is your center where you get paid. This is how you're gonna get paid, your commissions, the step funnels, the membership, and the recommend programs that they have. So this is your stats. This is where your everything will be on, your contacts and how many people join and how many recurring incomes you got, and etc. So that's where it goes. That's how that will go. And you see people are joining the system, so this is a proven system as well. And let's look at the hold on, I'm trying to show you the top. Whoa, dang. Let's see, do they have a run with this? Oh, here's the wetman program. This is the wetman programs right here too. That's the wetman programs right there. So, but I'm gonna back out so y'all can see me. This is all the this is it about Limitless Lead System. This is a great opportunity, great tool, great program. You can promote any opportunity. You can put any opportunity you're promoting. If you're promoting a help program, a settlement program, maybe another tool or something like that, you can put your opportunities on here. This is very nice. Not only they have one-time fees with the one I just mentioned, like the Finance Pro, which is $1,000 hand take commissions. They also have recurring income. So those of you that want to make recurring income, you can do that. So this is a great system. But overall, give me a like, give me a share. If you like this video, subscribe, click the link below my videos, check out my Facebook, and I'll see you guys next time. This is a different, I wouldn't say this is an opportunity. This is more like a tool. You can say it is, but not really. It is because of the way it's structured, but this is a great one, and everybody should jump on this. You know, especially the ones that don't want done for you stuff. So this is a great one. So like I said, like, share, subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Take care and have a great evening, YouTube family. Let's go.